digital sovereignty, that's becoming real. And I think if you're not there, you have to be there.
On the sovereignty agenda, what is it that companies are in need of looking at to really crack that?
Yeah, I think that there's 4 levels. Kind of imagine it as an onion. Yeah. And the inner aspect of the onion is really about their hardware, their technology infrastructure. The next layer out is all about the operational aspect of what they do, both the software technologies, but also people and equipment. The third layer is where we have data. And fourth is the layer which is about governance and strategy and regulation.
Yeah.
And any company needs to kind of determine, is that entire onion of importance to me, or is it only one of the layers that allow me to at least have control over the highest risk element of what I do as a business? And I think most companies will probably fall into the category of saying data is where is most critical for me, so I'm going to start focusing there. But there's clearly vertical industries or businesses where all layers are important. I mean, we see that in the defense industry, we see it in certain parts of central governments, where you want to control from a sovereignty perspective all aspects of that stack.
Yeah. Now we have sort of the 4 layers of what sovereignty really entails. Where is it on the agenda for boards and C-level?
Yeah, I think the last 6 months it's become an issue that most boards are actually focused on and have been discussing at board meetings. And so both the board and the CEO, who then is being tasked with actually executing on a resilience-based strategy that may incorporate some elements of digital sovereignty, that's becoming real. And I think if you're not there, you have to be there.